Located just across the Florida state line, in Lillian, Alabama, you will find Blue Sky Trading Company, located at 33860 US 98, Lillian, Alabama. An eclectic store featuring antique and vintage collectibles and furniture, home decor, art, gifts, and other unique items. Today, we are showcasing Scott's projects. Scott offers unique handmade wood gifts such as tables, chairs, and cutting boards. Crafted with the finest wood and food-grade epoxy, these items make wonderful gifts or an added touch to your home's decor. Come by and see us or check out Scott's Projects on Facebook